In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add power-ups in Trello step by step. Power-ups are one of the most powerful features in Trello because they let you extend your boards with extra functionality, like calendar views, automation tools, reporting features, and integrations with other apps. If you've ever wanted to customize your Trello board and make it more powerful, this is exactly what you need. Make sure to watch until the end so you can confirm your power-up is installed correctly. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Trello guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your boards page. This is where all your personal and team boards are listed. Next, click on the board where you want to add a power-up. Remember that power-ups are added per board, so if you need the same power-up on multiple boards, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. After your board opens, look toward the top right area of the board menu. You'll see an option labeled Power-Ups. Go ahead and click on Power-Ups. This opens the Power-Ups panel, where you can browse and manage integrations for that specific board. Inside the Power-Ups panel, click on Add Power-Ups. This will take you to the Power-Up directory, where you can explore all available options. Trello offers many power-ups, including automation tools, reporting extensions, time tracking tools, and formatting enhancements. At the top of the directory, you'll see a search field. Click inside the search bar and type the name of the power-up you want to install. For this example, we'll type Pretty Print, which is a power-up that improves how attachments are displayed inside cards. As you type, Trello will filter the results automatically. When you see Pretty Print appear in the results list, click on it to open its details page. Here you can read a short description of what the power-up does and confirm it's the one you want. Now click on the Add button. Trello may ask you to confirm that you want to add this power-up to your board. Click Add again to approve and enable it. Once the power-up is successfully added, you can close the Power-Ups panel by clicking the Close icon in the top corner. You'll be taken back to your board. To make sure the power-up was installed correctly, click on Power-Ups again from the board menu. You should now see Pretty Print listed under your enabled power-ups. That confirms it has been successfully added to your board and ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully added a power-up in Trello. As you can see, the process is quick and only takes a few clicks, but it can significantly improve how your board works. Power-ups are a great way to customize Trello to fit your workflow, whether you're managing projects, content calendars, client work, or personal tasks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.